Hello, my name is Edgar. With Core by Premier Software and Online by Premier Software, you can provide clients the option to customize their reservation through their client portal. That means clients can log in and select any treatment choices to book packages, as well as make any online payments. In this video, I will therefore walk you through how you can encourage clients to do this, saving staff time later. First, clients will need to place their reservation. If you have enabled bookings online, which you can do by logging into your Core Manager or Administrator application, heading to Packages and clicking the Web Bookable tick box, then clients can select their suitable package from your website. You can, of course, also book the package through your Core application via Reception. Either way, once the reservation has been booked, it will produce a reservation reference number in your system. The next step is for clients to select any options their package may have and confirm who is on the reservation. Clients can do this themselves through logging into their online portal. However, they will probably be unaware of this, so it is up to you to guide them through this process. To do this, log into Core's Manager application if you are a single site business or administrator if you are based across multiple sites. Once logged into Core, head to the General menu and click this. A new window will appear. We will let clients know of their reservation details via a reservation confirmation. So click Reservation Documents. Here you will see a list of your reservation confirmations. Click an existing document or click the green plus to set one up anew. Once you have entered a name, head to the Site Details tab. Click your applicable site, then head to the Email Layout section. You can create a new document or amend an existing one. For the purpose of this example, we will click the pencil icon to amend an existing one. You will be presented with your document. Make sure you have general confirmation details included here. In Microsoft Word, you can add what is known as merge fields, which will pull client data from your system using script calls. This is what we will use to pull the details the client will need to access their reservation details online. Head to the Mailings tab. Here in the Write and Insert Fields part of the ribbon, click Insert Merge Fields. This will produce a list of options to add. You can include items such as the client title to pull through their name at the top of the message, as well as what we specifically need, reservation reference and client surname. There is also one other item you will need, the link so clients can log in directly to their portal. Head to your online configuration portal. You can do this by heading to www.premiersoftware.uk, clicking the login option, then entering your serial number and postcode. Your serial number can be found under Help and Support and About in your Core application. Once you click Login, head to your online configuration portal link. Once here, scroll down the list of menu items on the left and click Reservation Portal. Configure settings is useful for ensuring you expand all clients' itinerary on entry to provide a full breakdown of their items, and the custom text fields are excellent for providing text for specific sections of your reservation online, but we're really here for the web links section. Click this. Here you will find a link for clients to use where they can access their client portal using either their reservation reference and password or reservation reference and lead surname. We generally recommend the bottom of these two, as the reservation will be made in someone's name. Make sure the relevant site has been selected. Place your cursor to the right of the link and click to highlight it. Then right-click and select Copy. You can then head back to your reservation confirmation, right-click and select Paste. Clients will now have the information needed to access their portal and login, ready to make any changes. So save the document and make sure this is selected in the Reservation Documents section of Core. When a client places a reservation, they will then be sent this reservation automatically. From the client's end, they will need to log in and will then receive a box to enter their booking reference number and surname of whoever placed the reservation. Once these details have been entered, the client can click Identify Guest to those included in the reservation. This will enable them to select if the person on the reservation is an adult or child before being able to fill in their details. Once all details have been filled out for the client in question, the client will be able to then select what treatments they wish to select for their package. This will be locked to the date that the package has been booked for. The applicable treatment and time can then be selected and booked. The same will apply for selecting a facility or activity within the package booking. Clients will be able to click Pay Selected to then pay for their booking. The package booking will then be all booked as shown in your Core application. Clients can then arrive on site and be departed as normal. Should clients ever need to amend their reservation or join onto another book, they can also do so by logging into their client portal. Clients can then scroll down to the Future Reservations section. Here they can click to see their booked reservation. They can then click Manage Your Reservations button to display a window that states they can join existing reservation. With the right reservation reference details, they can then join a reservation. If you have yet to experience Core by Premier Software, want to book a free presentation using the link in our video description on YouTube, or visit our website at www.premier-core.com. Alternatively, you can find out more about Core when you telephone our sales team on +44 01543 466 580 or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.